Can I publish anonymously on Substack? Often people ask me this because they want to use a pen name when they are writing on the internet, when they are writing on Substack. Others say, I want to stay 100% anonymous. So I have here 2 examples, the Petition and then also the long Memo, which I think are incredible examples. So you have to know that you can also be successful on Substack with an anonymous Substack newsletter. An anonymous written media company focusing on bankruptcy is this one. It's the Petition, okay? It is among one of the Substack's first paid newsletters, and this shows that you can publish anonymously on Substack if that's what feels right for you. Similar to the long Memo, this is also from someone, I always call him like Mr. Anonymous, who wants to stay anonymous. However, I had a wonderful interview with him. So when you create a publication, you'll be given an option to decide what information you make publicly available on your profile. So you would then sign up for your Substack with a specific email account for your newsletter. So there is no attachment to your personal email address or your name. Now, if you then decide to turn on paid subscriptions, Substack uses Stripe to handle payments. You'll need then to provide some basic personal info like your name and your bank account so Stripe can verify your identity and send your earnings. Stripe does require business and personal details to comply with regulations, but don't worry about that. None of that is shared with your readers. Your privacy is still protected when you set up everything correctly, similar to what Finnegan did here for the long Memo and also the Petition. I'd always go with a business address, for instance, especially for on Stripe, because some people would then see your name and the address there. So again, I would really think about setting up everything correctly if you want to write anonymously. It's definitely a thing. The Petition and also the long Memo show it is possible to build a Substack around content and not around you and offering more services like coachings and so on. For more, check out all the other videos, interviews, tutorials, and of course the online writing club for more.